So guys, as you might know, I have 0 screen time policy with my kid. And if you follow me, you know that I married a Somali man, so Italian Somali. Anyway, I was on TikTok and I saw this guy, Somali guy, that makes books Somali and English. I contacted him, and because I wanted to buy the books. I didn't want to promote them at the beginning. I actually wanted to buy them. And he sent me kindly the ones I wanted. I wanted The Fox and the Crow, which I'm going to link down below, and a book of exercises, so nice. Let's learn Somali. So obviously I read to him in English and my husband reads it to him in Somali. So because I really believe it's so important to read to your toddlers. It's the best thing you can do. As you might notice, like, we have a book shelves like full of books, and there's no space for all of these books in here. And I have Italian books, but for the first time I found like someone that is making Somali books, Somali English. So I really think it's important to read, and to read also in your first language. You know, I want my toddler to be able to speak Italian, Somali, English, and inshallah Arabic. You know, I think these languages, 4 languages we are trying to teach him, so important, you know. And they're really, really nice, because even The Fox and the Crow, at the end there are exercises and there are questions to ask to your toddler about the story. And the other one is about exercises, exercises, yes, but also words in English and Somali as well. So many things to do with your toddler, shapes, letters in Somali, in English. Guys, I'm really, really excited, and I'm going to buy more. If you want to know more, I will link down below, and also I will tag the company as well. Thank you so much, guys.